Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fireplace mantle shelves that are available on the market for their true quality.
I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video!
Starting at number 5, we have the Avana Rustic Fireplace Mantel Shelf 60 inches. Enhance the elegance of your living room with the Avana Rustic Mantel Shelf. This 60-inch floating shelf is a classic accessory that adds refinement to your fireplace shelves. With its clean and minimal design, it brings a traditional element of wood to your space. The shelf provides ample space to display your books, awards, photos, or even a wall-mounted mirror, television, or paintings. Not only does it serve as a decorative piece, but it also offers protection for your valuables by acting as a barrier between them and the heat and smoke of an active fireplace. Crafted from solid pine with a water-resistant finish, this mantel shelf is durable and low maintenance. It comes with a mounting kit for easy installation. Suitable for wood-burning, gas, or electric fireplaces, the Avana Rustic Mantel Shelf is a versatile addition to any home. Moving on, at number 4 we have the ROOMTEC 60-inch Aged Oak Fireplace Mantle. The ROOMTEC Floating Fireplace Shelf is a beautifully crafted mantle that adds rustic charm to your home. Made from reclaimed oak, its unique design offers both style and durability, perfect for displaying your favorite items like family photos or awards. With a depth of 8 inches and a hollow structure, it's easy to install while reducing stress on your walls. You can set it up in just 10 to 15 minutes with the included hardware and instructions. Plus, the handcrafted, water-resistant finish ensures it will stand the test of time, making it a practical addition to any room. At number 3, we have the Eshoma 72-inch Fireplace Mantle. The Eshoma Fireplace Mantle is designed to elevate your living space with its elegant 72-inch structure. Its minimalistic design not only enhances your fireplace, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any room. This mantle protects your valuables from smoke and heat damage, allowing you to enjoy the cozy ambiance without worry. Crafted from solid pine, its natural grain adds rustic charm while ensuring durability with a water-resistant finish. You can showcase a variety of items, from photos to awards, making it a versatile addition to your home decor. At number 2, we have the LOVMOR 84-inch Floating Fireplace Mantle. The LOVMOR floating mantle combines natural beauty with practical benefits. Its design showcases the wood's texture, bringing a touch of nature into your home and creating a calming atmosphere. Lightweight yet sturdy, this mantle won't strain your wall while still supporting your cherished items. It also protects your decorations from heat and smoke damage, ensuring they remain safe and intact. Additionally, the thermal modification process enhances the wood's durability, making it harder and more resistant to scratches and warping. With its unique grain, each piece is one of a kind, adding character to your space. And finally, at number 1, we have the VEVOR 60-inch Fireplace Mantle. The VEVOR Fireplace Shelf is designed to enhance your living space with its charming rustic brown finish. Made from solid white pine, this mantle not only looks beautiful, but is also durable, ensuring it can hold up to 50 pounds of your favorite decor items, such as family photos or cherished mementos. With easy installation in mind, all necessary mounting hardware is included, allowing you to set it up quickly on flat walls. Its versatile design makes it a perfect fit for various home styles, adding a functional and stylish focal point to your fireplace.
Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.